Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ropa Folder is probably one of the most underrated gadgets for anyone who wants to keep their closet tidy. This simple tool promises to transform the tedious chore of folding clothes into a quick and satisfying task. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of the Ropa Folder, exploring its features, ease of use, and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. BoxLegend version 3 Shirt Folding Board. This folding board is made of upgraded PP material, ensuring its durability. It's designed with strong toughness, offering a folding life of over 50,000 times. Easily fold a variety of clothing items with this board. From thin to thick clothes, such as dresses, shirts, and towels, it handles them all. Simple steps allow you to quickly make your clothes flatter and neater. It folds all clothes into a perfect uniform size, making storage a breeze. The shirt folding board is easily folded up for storage. Its compact design means it won't take up much space when not in use. With over 10 years of experience and multiple professional designs, this folder is a reliable choice. It can fold all garment sizes, from S to XXL. What we like? This folder is made with durable PP material, ensuring it can withstand countless folds. It easily handles various clothing types, from shirts to towels. If you have a large family or frequently fold a variety of garments, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? It folds my husband's t-shirts perfectly. The version 3 updates have made the BoxLegend shirt folding board even more user-friendly than its predecessors. Its durable, yet lightweight material makes it easy to handle, and the enhanced hinges ensure smooth folding action every time. The design is intuitive, allowing for shirts, pants, and even towels to be folded to a uniform size in just a few simple steps. This product works as advertised. So here is what I have folded with this board: short and long sleeve t-shirts, pajamas, jeans, thinner sweaters, medium weight sweaters. Does make you folded clothes look neat and your drawers and closets shelves tidy. Number 4. T-shirt folder clothes folding board, blue. Do you struggle with folding clothes neatly? This tool is designed to solve your family's folding troubles. It makes organizing your wardrobe simple and efficient. Made from PP composite material, it offers better toughness and anti-aging properties. This ensures a service life of over 3 years, providing long-term value. No assembly is required. It's designed for both adults and children to use with one hand. This makes folding clothes convenient and straightforward. Features 2 silicone buckles that firmly connect the panels. Even with a severe collision, it won't fall apart, ensuring durability. The folded size is 9 by 11.4 inches and weighs 1.3 pounds. It can be easily stored in a drawer or suitcase. When unfolded, it measures 27.16 by 22.44 inches, accommodating various clothing sizes. What we like? This folder is made with PP composite material, ensuring a long service life. It's designed for easy, one-hand operation, making folding clothes a breeze. If you're looking for a simple and convenient way to organize your wardrobe, this is the one for you. What people say? Saw Sheldon use this item on Big Bang Theory, and had to buy. Shirts are no longer wrinkled and quicker for me to fold shirts. The folder is easy to use. Wonderful item, keeps my clothes more organized and is easy to use. Perfect way to fold a shirt to make it more space-saving and the shirt wrinkle-free. Number 3. BoxLegend T-shirt folding board. This folding board is made of durable PP material, ensuring it can withstand long-term use. The material's high toughness and ductility make it a reliable tool for folding clothes. Using this shirt folder is incredibly easy. You can neatly fold your clothes in just seconds, saving you valuable time. This allows you to focus on other important tasks. This laundry folding board is versatile and can be used for various garments. It's suitable for folding pants, shorts, t-shirts, and even dresses. It simplifies your folding process. The design of this organizer makes it easy to carry. You can hang it on hooks using the holes at the top. This portability makes it convenient for both home and travel use. When unfolded, it measures 27.56 by 22.44 by 0.08 inches, but it folds down to 11.6 by 9.5 by 1.6 inches for storage. This compact design helps you save space when it's not in use. What we like. This folding board is made of high-toughness PP material, ensuring long-term use. It's easy to use, allowing you to fold clothes neatly in seconds. If you like to travel or need a space-saving solution, you should consider this one. What people say. I can't fold a shirt to save my life. This thing is truly a lifesaver for my business. I can fold fast and it looks good too. Makes folding so much easier and allows more space in my drawers and closet. This device is easy to use and allows me to fold more clothes, more neatly and a lot faster. Delivery was quick, and it's very easy to use. Even the grandkids are able to help with folding. Number 2. Household Essentials 195 Shirt Folding Board. Tired of unevenly folded shirts? This handy board is the solution. It helps you fold shirts uniformly, every single time. Don't worry, it's easy to use. The board includes step-by-step instructions for both collared and non-collared shirts, making the process simple. The Easy Glide handle makes it a breeze to slip out of folded shirts. This feature ensures your shirts stay neatly folded. The handle also doubles as a hook, allowing you to hang the board for convenient storage. It's designed for practicality. With this board, you'll save both time and closet space. It's the perfect tool for anyone who wants a tidy wardrobe. What we like. This folder helps fold shirts uniformly, ensuring a neat and organized closet. It includes step-by-step instructions for both collared and non-collared shirts. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to fold your shirts, this is the one for you. What people say. This shirt folding board fits the bill nicely. Granted, it's about the same size as a clipboard, but it's not flimsy nor is it too small to do the job. I use it solely for shirts and tees and it works very well for XL and XXL items. I fold my husband's L and XL t-shirts and dress shirts on this board without a problem, just like I did back in my mall days. It makes them so much neater than just hand folding, and they stay folded much nicer if you tuck the bottom of the shirt up behind the sleeves so there's no tail. It also makes fitting more shirts in my husband's travel bags much easier and they wrinkle less. It is made of quality plastic. I know some people called it flimsy or similar adjectives, not really sure why they would say that. It's not flimsy at all. It definitely will save you space in your drawers because all your shirts will be of a uniform size. Number 1. Eagle Creek Packet Specter Starter Set. This set is designed to help you organize your suitcase. It allows you to travel with the assurance that you know where everything is. The folder fits in most carry-on luggage and helps compress 8 to 12 dress shirts or slacks, minimizing wrinkles. It keeps your clothes neat and tidy. Pack your clothes and essentials in packing cubes to compartmentalize clothing and travel accessories. The bags are designed with a mesh top for visibility and breathability. The set includes a folder, a full cube, and a half cube. This system helps you maximize space and stay organized while traveling. Eagle Creek offers a lifetime warranty, plus repair or replacement due to product failure during the product lifetime, regardless of the cause. You can travel with peace of mind knowing you are covered. What we like. This set is designed to help organize your suitcase contents, ensuring your clothes stay tidy. It minimizes wrinkles, keeping your clothes looking their best. If you are a frequent traveler who wants to keep your clothes organized and wrinkle-free, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. First, the zippers on the cubes are great. The extra large envelope was perfect for packing a formal length dress wrinkle-free. The shirt folder is ingenious. It includes a board with instructions for how to fold your shirts precisely to fit and to avoid wrinkles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.